Today we'll be installing the new Torklift Apex Anchor part number F6005 in-bed camper tie-downs on a Ford F250. These tie-downs bolt directly to your truck's frame and pop up out of its bed. Concealable when out of use, these provide the strongest mounting option possible for your slide-in camper. If you enjoy this video, consider leaving it a like and subscribing for any future installs.
We're going to start by removing the two factory bolts that hold the bumper on. The bumper will not fall. It may come loose though. We're going to remove the bolt plate that's holding the bumper in place. We're going to replace the bolts, the nut bolt plate, with two 70mm long bolts. Then we are going to reinstall the factory nut onto those bolts and tighten down to re-secure the bumper. Now, using a 21mm socket, we're going to retighten the bumper. Then we're going to take our main receiver bracket and slide it over the factory bumper brackets. And we're going to finish it with a flat washer, a lock washer, and a nut. Leaving loose for now so that we can get the final bolt through the frame. Then we're going to take our final 70mm long bolt and go through the lower hole in the frame and out through the bracket, finishing with a flat washer, lock washer, and a nut. Then you're going to take 1/2-inch bolt with the jam nut and start to thread it through the upper bolt in your receiver brace. Tighten by hand until it touches the frame. Now we're going to add our support bracket using two 1/2-inch bolts with flat washers. We're going to attach it to the side of the frame brace and to the hitch side plate. Using a flat washer, lock washer, and a nut.
The bolt on the top has to, it's definitely inside.
Making sure that your support bracket is on the inside towards the front of the truck. Then you're going to finish with a flat washer, a lock washer, and a nut. You want to start by tightening the two main bumper bracket bolts. Then tightening the third auxiliary bolt. Then you want to snug up the 1/2-inch set bolt. And then using a wrench, you want to tighten up the jam nut. Just so the bolt doesn't come loose. Then we can tighten up the two 1/2-inch bolts on our support strap. Then you want to set your drill template on top with the notch in the drill template towards the inside of the truck.
Please note, we've updated the instructions so the notch will be pointing out instead of in.
At least
Now using 2 of your 3/8 bolts and flange nuts, you're going to snug your drill template to the bottom of the bed. Then using your 1/4 inch drill bit, you're going to drill up through the bottom of the bed using the drill template as a guide. Then you're going to remove your drill template. Then from the top of the bed, you're going to use your 2-inch hole saw and drill down through the top of the bed. Now we're going to install the skirt with the flat edges running front to back of the bed, making sure that both the clips grab the underside of the bed. Now using 3 3/8 bolts with flat washers and flange nuts, we're going to attach our receiver up through the bracket, making sure that the hole for the pin is facing towards the outside of the truck. Now using a 14mm socket, we're going to tighten up all 3 of the 3/8 bolts. Installation complete.
Once installed, simply pull up on the insert and twist to lock into position. Your Apex anchors are now ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.